Hello everyone, I am your faithful trader. I am Rahul. I have a great strategy that I want to share with you today. If you are a beginner in trading, I recommend subscribing to my channel because I offer excellent trading strategies that many people make money from. You can also join my Telegram channel to see the free signals that I provide daily to help you generate profit. Now it's time for the most interesting part of this video, namely strategy settings. We will work with moving average of EMA type period will be 8, color turquoise, and add boldness to the line. RSI indicator will be set to 8. No changes in appearance cannot be made, but I made for myself more clear lines and line colors because the day was heavy and a little blurred in the eyes monotone colors. Sorry. And on today's video, we will be using the RSI and moving average indicators for our strategy. This is a simple strategy that beginners can use. We will start at $500 using 5-second candles. Now let's analyze the market. Our first trade has taken place and it is going well. The market was overbought, meaning a lot of people were buying, and it ponded above the 70 line on the RSI indicator, which is a good sign of a downtrend. Our indicators show that the market is about to change direction. We may have entered the trade a little early, but we'll still make a profit. And here it is. We made a profit of $400 on our initial investment of $500. That's a great start. While we wait for a good moment to enter a trade, I invite you to become part of our financial community, where you will find not only up-to-date news and analysis, but also the opportunity to get a free consultation from me personally. The link to the channel is right below this video. Now let's move on to our next trade with a larger investment. We need to follow the market trend going up and down. We will be using RSI and moving average as a guide. And here comes our second trade. We need to be careful and analyze the market before entering trades. If you want to trade without hesitation, you can use my free signals on my Telegram channel. And so our second trade closes. It's very close to our entry point, so let's see how it went. And we made a profit again. Focus on the actor. It's important to understand market trends and analyze trades before making decisions. With practice and the right strategy, you can make good profits from trading. Let's move on to the next opportunity. I placed 3 $500 trades on UP because I think it's a good strategy and timing to enter the trade. Sometimes thinking too much can give you a headache, so it's best to keep it simple. Trust your intuition and analysis when deciding to trade a market that you think will go up. You don't have to start with a large amount of money. You can start with a small amount and practice. The more you trade, the more experience you will get. I started with a small amount of money, and now I am confident enough to invest $1,500. I can be pretty confident that I will make a profit most of the time. I'm very confident in myself. So, after investing $1,500, I made $1,200 net. That's a really good profit. Okay guys, today's game session was very successful. I already told you that this strategy is very good. If you are a beginner, I definitely recommend you to give it a try. That's all for today. If you like the video, then click the like button, share this video in the comments, and subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell, so that every time I upload a video, you can learn about these strategies and make good profits with them. And join my channel on Telegram. You can also chat with me there. I will be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for your message. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video and on my Telegram channel.